Hi guys, it's Lesley from 4-Ring Recreation with you today, and for our Rec Month, we're sharing some family recipes. So I'm sharing with you guys a traditional Mennonite recipe called Plumi Moos. It's basically a plum soup. You can eat it on ice cream. It's super delicious. So what I've got here is a bowl that has dried prunes, raisins, and a mixture of apricots, figs, cherries, and mulberries. So I've just put them all in the bowl. It's a half a cup of raisins, a half a cup of the fruit mix, and a cup of the prunes that are all cut up. So you just put them in your pot. And you add 3 cups of water. And a half a cup of white sugar. And cinnamon to taste. So if you like it spicy, you put more in. If you don't like it spicy, you don't put as much in. If you don't want to put any in, you don't have to. So I put in about a tablespoon. And then I mix it all together. And then you are going to take your pot over to the stove and let it boil for about 15 minutes. And then we'll come back. Hi everybody, we're back. So we've had this sitting on the stove simmering for about 15 minutes, and you can see that it's all the fruit's kind of rehydrated and expanded, and we've got this nice thick soup kind of going on. So what you're gonna do now, I'm just gonna turn this up a little bit again to bring it up to a nice boil. So I've put about half a cup of water in here, and you just need a little bit of water in a cup or bowl to measure out. You can either use cornstarch or flour. I like to use cornstarch. And you just are going to put, depends on how thick you want it, the more you add, the thicker it will be. So I'm putting in about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I'm just going to mix it together so it's nice and smooth. And all that this is going to do is make this into a nice thick sauce. So you just add it in, and then you just mix it all together, and once it comes back up to a boil, it'll get nice and thick. And then you're gonna let it cool off a little bit, and then we're gonna eat it over ice cream. Finish, and we've let it get nice and thick, so I'm just scooping out a little bit of ice cream. And then I'm gonna just put some of this super yummy sauce on top. So it's got all this yummy fruit in it. And it smells like pie filling, you guys. It smells so good. Okay, so there you have it. It's Plumi Moos on ice cream.